Okay, so Workbench Editor, focus recent editor after close. Controls whether tabs are closed in most recently used order or from left to right. So let me show you what this looks like. This is set to true, which and that means that when we close an editor, we will switch to the most recently used. For example, we have three editors opened here, and if we switch from the settings.json file to the main without going to the main.js without going through the main.css, and we close this one, we're going to jump back into the most recently used editor, right? If we set the setting to false and we jump from this file to this file and we close this one, we're going to go to the file that's to the left, or to the editor that's to the left of that one. Now, I do find this to be useful because usually when you jump to a file that you want to close, what you want to do is you want to go back to the file where you were. So it kind of gives you a little bit more context. So I'm leaving this setting set to true.